Era.
Number 0, 2 points. Number 0, 2-0 in favor of Team Canyo.
Bingi, pre. Ano yan?
Short jumper, no good.
Mamaya pagdating niya, ano po?
9 minutes and 46. Number 9, pass to number 0 again. Back to back hits, 4-0 in favor of Team Canyo.
Basic? Meron? Mga harang ng ano?
Wala. No good. Rebound by number
Nandubay, first game. Sino po committee yan? Wala daw.
9 minutes and 13. 10 seconds to shoot.
Shot lang kaya
8 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by JR. JR, pass to number 17. Steal by number 0. 9 minutes exactly. Number 0. 12 seconds to shoot. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by number 14 sa ilalim. 2 points. 6-0. Lamang na po. 2 points. Number 12. Good ball. 6-2. 6-2. 15 seconds to shoot. Duran. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by. 10 seconds to shoot. Block by number 13. Saan nakuha ni Duran? Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 17. Bumangga. 2 points. Number 17. 8-2. 8-2 na po. JR. JR sumalaksak. 2 points. JR Lorca. 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 48 seconds sa ating first game. Set 9-4 in favor of Team Canyo. Number 17. Pass to number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. Bumangga, layup, 2 points. Number 13, 9-6. Steal. JR. Steal kaya? Steal by number 15. Out of bounds. Bola ng Team Nasdip. Oras, 7 minutes and 17 seconds. 9-6. Tatlo lang lamang. Ano? Sai?
Pabili mo na lang sa 7-Eleven.
Naglolo ko po.
Salinin mo na lang. Konti yan tayo. Paano ang sandit, boss? Ayos lang. Naglolo ko yung
Hindi
camera.
na nagsusumpa.
2 points. Sai, lapit ka nga sa akin saglit. Na-shoot ba? Wala. No good.